Okay, London session done. Took two trades. Took one on NAS trend continuation single day. The higher time frame breakout levels are all bullish. The peak higher time frame peak levels are also bullish. Was looking for low of the day buys. So today is a bullish breakout day. The daily breakout level is right here. I'm overall bullish. Overall bullish above. Overall bearish below. Um, Coming into London Open, 2 p.m. Jakarta time. We already triggered the previous H8 low, and this candle gets above that H8 low, faking out the H8 low, but it does not get above the last M15 bearish breakout level. These breakout levels, I'm overall bullish above, overall bearish below. So the M15 is still bearish until price gets above this. So it never gets above that last bearish breakout level until this momentum bar. This momentum bar took out that last M15 low breakout low, bearish breakout. So that flips the M15 bullish. So that's one criteria that I'm looking at for all my trades. The next one is I'm looking for a previous H1 low fake out, or I'm looking for the H1 breakout level, a closure above that breakout level. So faking out the previous peak, that's the first sign of a reversal, but confirmation of that reversal comes only after a closure above the breakout level. So this candle took out both those levels. Did not take out the previous peak, but got above the H1 breakout level and got above the M15 breakout level. Stayed above the daily breakout level, so daily is also bullish. And so I waited until price got above the H8 low. So took it at the stop loss at the low of the day, took it as price got above the M15 high, and I'm taking this up to the H8 breakout level. So this trade just ranged the whole time, but I've said before that I don't mind when price ranges like this. I'm not sitting around watching it. Take my trade and just kind of walk away. Um, so I've done lots of back test on these datas on NAS. NAS 87.5% of my trades go at least to 1.5 R. So I don't get fussy about this stuff. I'm usually holding to at least 1.5 R. And yeah, so that's it. This trade's still going. If it starts to reverse from here, I'm going to exit. We're coming in right at the daily open. Higher time frames are all bullish. H8 is still bearish, so that's something I have to watch out for. Um, yeah, no, I'm just gonna hold it up to the H8 breakout level. I think there's news in 30 minutes, so yeah, actually no, maybe I'll exit right after this video. Um, yeah, so that was the first trade, and the second trade I took was on DE30. DE30 trend continuation signal day, same like NAS. Higher time frame breakout levels all bullish, and the higher time frame peak levels all bullish, looking for low of the day buys. Did not trigger any low, did not trigger the H8 low coming into London Open, but it did come up. I saw this consolidation over here. Hold on a second. Okay, sorry about that. Saw this consolidation over here, and then once this M15 breakout bar took out the last M15 bearish breakout level, right at the previous day high, as well as the previous H8 high, I wanted to take this up. So I waited for a 5-minute closure above those levels. This one right here. And once I got that, I entered and still in this one, holding this. This I think that I'm going to check the calendar again. I thought I saw some news, but if there's news, I'm going to be exiting soon. So took it like that. This is a breakout setup. The previous H8 high breakout, previous day high breakout. So got both of those and continuing this move up. So usually I'm exiting as the M15 gets faked out on the opposite side. If there's a closure below the M15 breakout level, I usually will exit. But since news is coming up, and again, I haven't checked the calendar, but if there's news, I'll be exiting before news. And that's it. Only took two trades. Didn't see anything else. Oil was in this giant range, waiting for price to get above the H1 range. Did not like how gold is moving. It's also in a range. H8 closed as an inside bar. Um, and so here's the range on the H8. And yeah, I'm not interested in that. And UK 100, I was looking for sells, fake out day, bearish fake out day. There's mixed bias actually. We're above the breakout level. So overall, I'm bullish. But yesterday faked out the previous day high. And so I was bearish below this. Um, and it did fake out at the end of my session in Asia, and then so in London, I was waiting for a fake out of the H8 as well as the H1, but there was no continuation, and it just came back up, and I had no setup during my session. I do like where it is right now. I've been selling it every time it faked out the previous day high at this breakout level. But I would really want price to get below that breakout level in order for me to take another sell. Not sure yet if I'm going to trade this in New York. I'll probably wait to see how the New York indices move first. About to hit TP on this one, and that is it. New York session soon.